Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. D again. Today we are going to do another bowling activity, but this time it's going to be a little bit more challenging. Yes, you will require a ball and you will also require 10 water bottles as we go along. The first water bottle will be placed on our first dot, our first triangle within the 10 dots. We will move to level 1, where we will start. If I bowl and I get the bottle down, we will then place another water bottle, which will make 2 water bottles. You will see how it goes. So, our bowling cues. Bowling a dominant hand, on the side, swing, step with your opposite foot, bend and bowl. I didn't get it down, that's okay. I have another try. Swing, step, bend, bowl. Oh, I missed again. Goodness gracious me. Swing, step. If I knock it down, yes, you put number 1, then you take another water bottle and you place it on the other spot, so now you have 2 water bottles. And we try it again. Swing, step with your opposite, and bowl. Oh, I missed. I'll try it again. Swing, step. Whoa, I got 1 down. I still need to get 1 more to complete my 2 water bottles. Swing, step. And I've knocked 2 water bottles down. So if I knock my 2 water bottles down, I get to add a 3rd water bottle. And I repeat the process. I wonder if you can get all 10 water bottles onto your triangle. It is a challenge, it is difficult, but I know you can do it if you practice. Give it a try.